Hey, what's up, y'all? You know it's me. Excuse me. It's cold, G. Outside here. Mr. Hash 420, never ignorant, getting goes accomplished, baby. Now they said, man, look, dude, I moved from New York to get away from snow. Now I'm in Oklahoma City, and look at this. Can't run from it, can't run from it, can't run from it, can't run from it. Ah! Check out that forecast. Man, y'all be safe on that road, man. Pay attention to the ecosystem. That's what y'all need to do. Because it's serious. I'm gonna show y'all some more in a little bit. I'm gonna do a part two. I'm gonna go in my room and I'm gonna let y'all see the look that I look at every day in Oklahoma City. Yeah, yeah, we do this.